Hello everyone, welcome back to FixJams. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp video calls freezing or showing a green or purple screen on your iPhone after the iOS 27 update. So let's get started. First, open the Setting app and then tap on the General. And here scroll down and tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure WhatsApp is turned on here. And if it is already on, go back to General and here find and tap on iPhone storage, and also here find WhatsApp, or you can use the search bar and search WhatsApp and tap on the WhatsApp app, and here tap on the offload app. This remove the apps but keeps your chats and data, and then reinstall WhatsApp and check if the problem is fixed. If that didn't work, next refresh your network connection. Turn the airplane mode on for about 30 seconds or 15 seconds, then turn it off again. Now try making a WhatsApp video call again, and if the issue continues, open WhatsApp and here go to setting and here find the storage and data. Tap on the storage and data, and here turn on use less data for calls. This can help if your internet connection is slow or unstable. If the problem is still there, reset all settings by going to your setting, tap on the setting, and here again find general and tap on general, and scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here just choose and tap on reset. Here just tap on reset all setting. This will not delete your photo, apps, or personal data. It only resets system settings like Wi-Fi, privacy, and display settings. If none of these steps worked for you, the problem may be caused by the iOS 27 update. And in that case, you will need to wait for a future iOS or WhatsApp update to fix the issue. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix WhatsApp video calls freezing or showing a green or purple screen on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to FixJams for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.